Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 77, Circles, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. AB is a chord of length 24 cm of a circle of radius 13 cm. The tangents A and B intersect at point C. Find tangents at A and B intersect at point C. Find the length AC. See this, radius 13, A tangent at A and B intersects at point C. Okay. So one thing which we always have to remember is what's the target? AC. To get AC we must first get DC, because then only you can prove it by Pythagoras theorem. You can get it AC square equals to DC square plus AD square. For that you must have AD and DC, right? For that you need to have OD, right? So it's a chain. So let's start. AB is a chord in triangle OAB and OAC. OAB and OAC. Okay. It should be triangle OCB and OAC. OCB and OAC, or OBC and OAC. Okay, you can call it anything. For congruency, anything is allowed. OA equals to OB, AC equals to BC, OC equals to OC, right? Same side. OA equals to OB by radii, AC equals to BC, tangent from same point to the same circle are congruent. Therefore, triangle OBC or OCB, OBC congruent to triangle OAC, SSS test. Therefore, angle AOC congruent to angle BOC, CPCT, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Now in triangle OAD, this short one, and OBD, these two small triangles, OA equals to OB radii, AOD equals to BOD, just now proven this one. OD equals to OD, same side. Therefore, triangle OAD congruent to triangle OBD. Then by which test? SAS. Then ADO congruent to angle BDO, CPCT. But angle ADO plus angle BDO equals to 180, right? ADO plus BDO 180, linear pair. They are also congruent and they are also 180. Therefore, ADO equals to BDO equals to 90. This is what we have to prove. It's not given in the question. Okay, we have to prove it. So next is, now we got this as 90. Therefore, OC perpendicular to AB and OD perpendicular to AB. Now we got that this is perpendicular. Now what we can do? We apply the formula, theorem. Perpendicular from center of a circle to a chord in the circle bisects the chord, right? This is perpendicular, we have proven. Therefore, OD will bisect AB. Therefore, AD equals to DB, right? That is 12. Now in triangle BDC, right? BC square equals to BDC, this side. BC square equals to DB square plus DC square. Now what all we know? DB we know, that is 12, and DC we know. No, we don't know. So keep it as it is, DC square. In triangle ODA now, ODA, say this, OA square equals to OD square plus DA square. Therefore, OD square equals to OA square minus DA square. So OA square is what? 13 square. DA square is what? 12 square. That is 5 square then. Means 25, and OD equals to 5. Now we got OD as 5. Okay. In triangle OBC, okay, OC square equals to OB square plus BC square, right? OC square is what? This is OC. This we know, OD 5 plus DC the whole square equals to OB square is what? 13 square. 13 square plus BC square, right? We don't know BC. So 25 square, A plus B the whole square, 25 plus 10 DC plus DC square equals to 13 square plus 12 square plus DC square. Why this 12 square plus DC square? Because BC, see this, BDC triangle, this D is 90. Therefore, Pythagoras, BC square equals to BD square plus DC square, right? So move on. So 25 plus 10 dc plus dc square equals to 13 square plus 12 square plus dc square. Solve this now. Therefore, dc square gone from both the sides. What remains? 10 dc equals to 313 total of this minus 25, that is 288. Therefore, dc equals to 288 upon 10, that is 28.8. Now you got dc, right? Now in triangle ADC, see this ADC, AC square equals to AD square plus DC square. Now AD you know 12, 12 square plus DC you know 28.8. So square it 144 and 28.8 square is 829.44. How do you do it? See here, I have made separate Vedic maths videos. Kindly follow those, because otherwise in normal mathematics it would be too difficult for you to find the squares. In Vedic maths you will find this on fingers itself. So add them. So you get 973.44 AC square. Therefore AC equals to again square root of 973.44. Follow Vedic maths again, right? There is no other option for you other than Vedic maths for doing fast calculations. Therefore AC equals to 31.2. That is the required answer of AC. Follow this problem again. Pause this video. Do it again yourself, because it's very difficult. Next, in the given figure, A and B are centers of two circles that intersect at x and y, right? PXQ is a straight line. Okay. If reflex angle QBY, reflex angle, this bigger angle, reflex means bigger one, find opt equals to 210, find the angle PAY. This PAY we have to find out. Okay. So here one important quality about reflex angle is it's always greater than 180. Okay. So that is a reflex. Let's start. Draw XY. See this XY. Then angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the other segment, right? See, focus here. Angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the other segment, means this basically it follows to this PAY. Therefore QBY equals to 2 into QXY. Now it's for this circle. QBY, see the angle subtended at the center is this, reflex it is 210, and angle subtended on the circle is QXY, right? This one, right? Therefore QXY equals to 210 upon 2, QBY upon 2, right? 105. So you got QXY now. Now PXY plus QXY equals to 180. PXY plus QXY equals to 180. But you know QXY now. Therefore PXY equals to what? 180 minus 105, that is 75. Now PXY is over here 75. Now again the same rule, angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circle, means on the circle or the other segment. So this is 105. So PAY will be twice of this, right? Therefore PAY equals to 2 into PXY. Therefore 2 into 75, that is 150. So PAY equals to 150. That's what is required. Find angle PAY. Okay. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.